Okay, here we go. We're going to take a look at these challenges and we'll see what happens when we place the mirrors in certain positions and see if we get the challenges done. So I have the flashlight laying flat on the ground here, and the first example was to place a mirror to make the light shine to the left. So here's my mirror, and if I place it right here and I angle it, and if I look over here, the light is shining on the left-hand side. So we're reflecting the light off of the mirror, and now it's on the wall. So then the next challenge is to place mirrors to make light shine in two different directions. So I need a second mirror, and I'm going to put it here like that. So now you can see the light is coming straight from the flashlight. I have light reflecting over here, and I have light reflecting over there. So I'll stand up so you can see. I'll turn it this way. You see light is reflecting in two different directions. That's challenge number 2. And challenge number 3 was I have to change the mirror so that the light reflects on an object behind the flashlight. So I have my mug. I'm going to change my mirror like this. Leave that there. And I'm going to turn this. Okay, so if you look here, the light is shining now on my mug. So I'm going to turn around here. So you see the light shining on the mug now? The mug is behind the flashlight. So the source of light comes from the flashlight, and then it comes up here. It's reflecting off of this mirror, and then it's going back and shining on the mug, which is behind the flashlight. All right, I'm on another challenge. It was to place mirrors to shine light on the back of the first reflecting mirror. So here's my flashlight. I'm in a much darker room, otherwise it wasn't going to work. And so the flashlight's not moving, and you can see that it's shining on that mirror there. Okay, so what I did was I had it, if I pull back a little bit, you can see I have a mirror back here. Here's another mirror, like right here. So the light's shining from that mirror to this mirror, and then over, then the light goes down here to this mirror here. You can see it kind of in the dark, and then it reflects. Oops. On the back of the reflecting mirror. So can you see the little square? Okay, so I'm back here again. If I show you the square, you can see it on the mirror. Because my camera's blocking it now. Trying to show it to you without that light shining on it. But it if I move this back and forth, you can see the little box moving. That's the reflection from this mirror onto the back of the first reflection mirror. So if I stand up like this, maybe you can see the arrangement. Flashlight, mirror 1 reflects the light to mirror 2, which reflects the light all the way up here to mirror 3, which then reflects the light onto the back of the first mirror. That was the pretty, not very complicated. It's just a matter of playing with it. So the last challenge is about shining the light so it looks like it's going right through the book. So we'll do that. Okay, our last challenge was try to get the light to shine through a book. So let's see, I figured it out. So here, if you take a look, here's my flashlight. I had to find a dark room, and there's the book. So you can see the light is shining on the book. And then if you look at the door, you see the light is shining on the door. So it actually went through the book. And I'll move it around. There's the light shining through the book. So I'll show you how it was done. So I have my light source here. And do you know that light can reflect off of objects that aren't mirrors? Might not reflect as much light off, but it can happen. But what I do is I put a mirror over here, off to the side. So the beam of light goes out in all different directions, not just one direction. So you can see the wide angle here of the light. outside the angle. There's darkness, and here's a light. So the light is going here, and it's reflecting off of this mirror. Then it comes across, and I reflect it on this mirror, and then that mirror is going to reflect it onto the, you can see, onto the wall behind it. And see my little light. It's not as bright, but you can see the light moving. So it gives you the illusion that the light actually went through the book when it really didn't go through the book. We placed mirrors around. Try to get it brighter for you. We placed mirrors around. There we go. We placed mirrors so that you would get the illusion of seeing the light go through, but we're using mirrors. So think about this with magic. There's usually science behind the magic. But people who don't know or don't have the knowledge are easily tricked. So pretty cool. There's my setup. I'll stand up so you can see the whole setup. It's a triangle of mirrors, but to complete the challenge.